this is the 6th Beautiful Brain video about coding. 5th if you don't count the footnote. So this is going to be about web site designing, like planning for your website. It's like here's a very bad website because, as you see, you can barely read the text. Lower miss from those hit and make consecutive adipsing blah blah blah. And you can also barely read the H1. The H1 is much smaller than the text, and the image is squished. So yeah, that's a really bad web page. So here's some tips for planning your web page. So I'm just gonna get rid of that, and yeah, Control C. Yeah. So here is how you design your web page. I'm gonna save it. So one. So step one. Step one is fonts. Step two, colors. Step three. And step three. Templates and templates and what's it? Oh yeah, frameworks. I am not. Well, actually, you don't actually need templates and frameworks. They're just like here's how your web page should look. They just say, here's how your web page should look. Here's some HTML and CSS for you to make it look that way. I don't really like them. So we're just gonna do fonts and colors. So step one, fonts. Try to choose 2 to 3. Like a good tool for it is fontpair.co, where you can just click on pairings, search for a font. Here I'm going to search for Arial. Sorry, I forgot. These are fonts that you have to download to use it. Sorry. So fontpair.co is not a good one for it, but CSS Zen Garden, that's actually a good place to get CSS frameworks. Whether I just highlight that, it's actually I think it might actually be the origin. I mean, it might be like the makers of CSS? Probably not. Anyway, oh, by the way, you might have noticed that we are not using the we are not using the B for brain website. No idea what this is doing, but I'll turn it off. And also, yeah, because I don't want to ruin the beautiful website that we've been making. So, yeah. So, never mind about fontpair.co. Just choose two fonts that are in the same font family. So, here, H1, H2, H3. The comment is how you show that it has it should not only apply to H1, it should also apply to H2 or H3, H4, H5, and H6. They are all the headers that are in HTML. So say for all the headers, we should use the font family Arial, and for all the paragraphs, we should use the font family. I do not know any other sans serif fonts, so I'm just gonna choose my favorite font. Comic Sans MS. And also, by the way, I found out what Microsoft app Comic Sans was designed for. It was designed for Microsoft Bob, which I've never heard of before. Why isn't it working? Why are so many things not working? So I'm just gonna use my third favorite font, Times New Roman. There. Wait, no, you should actually it always no, it's okay if you stick to one font for your entire web page too. Oh yeah, I know another good sans serif font. I forgot its name. So yeah, it's okay if you just stick to one font for your entire web page. I know it begins with L though. It's L something T something. I think it's LAT something. But anyway, so yeah. It's okay if you just stick to one font throughout, but try to not use more than 3 and try to aim for a different one between the headers and the rest. Yeah. So, yeah. Now we can move on to the other one. I'm gonna go here. Since I do not have a tick thing on the keyboard, if you know how to make that, great. I will just do a V. No, I'll do an S tag because I'm finished. Oh, yeah. I know it might not function properly in modern browsers, this Khan Academy, but here it's fine. See, it's working. Now, colors. Try to look, so you actually I'll leave colors for next time. Bye.